So I think my story started when my dad one day picked me up from school, and he took me to Buda Elementary. We went to the gym there, then went to the upper campus, we went to the gym there, and then we somehow got to the stadium out here. But that day, when I got up to the high school and he was throwing the ball with me and we were doing all kinds of stuff, I'd always had a love for sports. And Coach Donnie Shelton was my PE teacher, and he was just fun to be around. At the same time, he would kind of put your thumb on you when he needed to. So I guess that you could say that's probably how I got here as a coach. I've always liked helping people and leading people to learn to serve others and help each other out and be a community and a team. My name is Casey Boggs, and I coach football, powerlifting, track here at Hays High School. And I was a graduate of Hays School in 1997, and I did the same sports that I'm coaching, so I'm pretty honored and blessed to be back here at Hays. You know, I feel like that I've always maybe gravitated to the kids that maybe weren't quite as athletic, and I like to watch them grow. And then of course I get to celebrate the victories with the ones that are super athletic and having all the accolades. Just helping them to grow and mature, and really just learn to be good people, good teammates, not talking down to other people, and helping people out is what I coach for.
I feel like coaching and teaching was my calling, and I'm so grateful to have so many inspiring teachers and coaches that care for the community as I grew up here at Hays. I just want to thank Coach Bob Shelton, Coach Donnie Shelton, Coach Ragsdale, Coach Riley, Coach Lenari, Coach Gaddy, Coach Green, Coach Phillips, Coach Posey, Coach Winter, Coach Kiner, Coach Cuellar, Coach Young, and Coach McCauley. They all had a tremendous influence on my life and helped me become who I am today. Coach Smith and Coach Sides were also two great mentors in my young coaching career.
It's special, no doubt. In my health and professional communication classes, I do a slideshow to introduce ourselves, and of course the kids have to do the same thing. I kind of do one to model for them. I talk about just having pride in where I grew up, and of course it used to be more country than it is now, but also it's a good place, and the community sticks together and works through things. There's been changes, but overall, community still puts each other first, and kids are important part of that. Sometimes I shy away from social media. I'm not a big poster or what have you, but I do tend to watch and to follow, and then I'll see my kids on social media and how they've grown, and they have families and this and that. That makes me pretty proud to know that I was just played a small part of their life, because in the grocery store, they're not afraid to come say hi, and just, of course, like I would go see Donnie Shelton, Coach Shelton, and say hi to him or whatever, but, you know, if I'm out in the community or whatever and I see those kids, it just makes me proud to know that I'm still at Hays, and it's still a growing and thriving community, and the kids that I coached and taught are successful.